Okay, in this activity, I'm going to take this and put it in this. Let's get started. Welcome to Cubby Science. My name's Kevin. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you find something you like. If you're not new to the channel, well, welcome back. That means a lot. If you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button and then ring the notification bell so that you know when I add new content. And during my videos, I will mention the video description area for different reasons. Here's how you find it. Click or tap the gray arrow and the video description area will open up below. Happy learning. In this video, I'll be going over the activity called Test Tube Sunset from the kit My First Mind-Blowing Science Kit. And it uses some of the same materials and techniques from two of my other videos, so I will not be going through all of that in this particular video. I wanted to make this one pretty short, but so that you can see the results of this activity if you do this with your class or at home. But it involves still the acid, the base, and the red cabbage indicator, and the polyacrylamide crystals that when hydrated grow. And so what the activity wanted to do, or the procedure was, is to take a test tube like this that comes in the kit, fill the bottom part with the blue crystals that are basic, fill the top part with the acidic crystals, which are the red or pink, and cover it with saran wrap so they don't dry out, and let it sit for a day or two. And then what you're going to see in the middle is a purplish color that is the normal neutral color for the red cabbage powder indicator. You're going to see that develop in the middle, and what that is where neutralization has occurred, because you got the acid on top and the base on the bottom with the water, the hydration that's in the crystals, and it allows that reaction to occur. So you have neutral here, which is the purple. So pretty good result. This is older, so the colors are not quite as vibrant, but you'll see the picture of the most recent color and what it looks like. So hopefully this was helpful. Go back and try the activity if you get the kit. It's a good activity. It just takes a little while because you've got to let the crystals grow and then you mix them and let them react over some time. But a good activity.